Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So I've just did a video on flushing the brake fluid in this Mini Cooper. If you guys need to know how to reset this warning on your dash stating brake fluid needs to be changed, stay tuned. So this is a 2015 F55 1.5 turbo diesel Mini Cooper, and I have just bled the brakes, so this car has fresh fluid. However, we still have the warning on the dash. If we go into that warning, as you guys can see, the brake fluid was due on August 2022. It is now Jan 2024, so that is well overdue. But if you guys have watched the last video, we did test the fluid and the fluid was actually okay. That is now being flushed, so the car is fine, the fluid is fine. So now we need to reset this warning message. So it's quite simple to do. First thing to do, turn the ignition off, turn the ignition back on your screen here. If the light is causing an issue, I'll try and... So I've just turned the light off because you guys can't see, well, the glare was on the speedo, and you need that to be able to do the next step. So first thing you need to do is turn off the ignition, just reset the computer, put it back on, and then you want to wait till that service notification goes off. Now I've got the bonnet open, so you're probably going to get a bonnet, yeah, just click that once to get that off, but you won't have that. Then press and hold the button for a few seconds and it'll say reset possible. So this is your brake fluid, engine oil, and your inspection. So go through, there is your brake fluid one. All you need to do is press and hold, perform reset, press and hold. Give it a second or two. Done. So it is January 2024. So now it's stating that your brake fluid is due in 2 years' time. 2 years is a bit soon. I normally go for 3 years. If you guys have just watched a previous video, it has been 3 years gone last August. So it's now January, so it's almost 3.5 years ago the last time I did this, and in the reservoir it was reading at 0% moisture. But that is it, guys. So as you can now see on the dash, that is nice and green and happy. So the only thing is left on this is a vehicle inspection. So off camera, I mentioned this in the previous video, I'm going to just go around the car. The car is up on quick jacks at the moment. Gonna go around the car and basically do a full inspection, check all the components, suspension, all your brakes, everything like that. Get some white grease and get some WD-40 and just do the door locks, the door hinges, do the springs that control the rear brakes with a handbrake cable. Just give it a full once over and make sure nothing stands out, nothing's hanging down, nothing looks like it's broken or leaking, like a shock's leak, and anything like that. And then I'll come back and reset that light. But for the time being, guys, hopefully it's helped you guys out. And like always, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.